So data is useful, but data by itself means nothing. It needs to be translated into something meaningful for you. And the best way we explain people how to approach it is to answer questions for themselves or for their company. Let's say you're trying to sell to someone. Are you aware of what's the last time they posted? Are you aware of what's the last thing they liked on LinkedIn or on Instagram or whatever social media platform they like? These questions, they're not just supposed to kind of provoke you to say like, oh, well, I have no idea, or yeah, sure, I know. The point is, the more you know about what people care about, the better you can then plan how to approach them in a meaningful way. Like, you probably get quite frustrated when people approach you on a social network without any context. They just send you a random invitation, or they send you a sales pitch that is completely not customized to you. That's like the opposite of what I'm describing. So the more data you have, the more you know about your own content, but also the content of others, the better you can approach them. You can actually ask a smart question. You can share something valuable when you write. But it's very difficult to do that if you haven't spent any time learning or analyzing what is actually happening in the world around you, and you're just producing things that you feel like producing. So this is the power of data that we're trying to bring together. Like, what can we learn to then drive the conversation? And the conversation, like the conversations we talk about, it's very important to understand, they don't need to be online. We're not saying that everybody should be just like spamming comments on LinkedIn or having a conversation. A lot of these pieces of content that you can produce can just provoke also offline conversations. When you meet people, you might even be surprised, like, how does this person knows me or my content? It's because they've seen you online, and then they can start a conversation easier with you offline, which can lead to a lot of different results. But it starts with kind of questioning a bit, what are you doing? What are others doing? And data can help you tremendously answer those questions.